Like, who brow is this thick? Hey guys, I'm Kimmy. Welcome to my channel, and this is the place to feel boutique-y. So let's get started with today's video. I am going to be your host for the duration of your stay. So I am super interested in this new thing called brow lamination. So I did my research, I looked up videos, I'll insert some pictures here just to show you what I expect my brow to look like after this. Yeah, so let's get into these brows. I believe I have really amazing eyebrows. I love my brows. I think they are a really good shape naturally. Yeah, so we about to take these brows, and do they even use the word on fleek? But we about to get these brows extra on fleek right now. I already know I'm so outdated because I don't even hear that word anymore. The reason I want to do brow lamination is because they don't stay up. Like, I love when my brows are like up like that, nice and bushy looking, but they never stay like that. They tend to go down, and then you lose your shape, and it looks like I didn't even take my time to shape my brows. Like, ain't nobody got time for that. The brow lamination is supposed to basically straighten your brows and make them lay how you want them to lay and let them stay like that all day. Bars. Look at me, I just stay rhyming, but whatever, that's not why you're here. So did I explain it right? Yeah, so brow lamination is where you chemically process your brows to lay them down. So basically you're just straightening your brows. You're giving your brows a whole relaxer, girl. So what I picked up is a lash lift kit. Icon Sign Lash Lift Kit, a perm solution, and that is what you're going to use to lay your brows down. So you can use a perm solution to curl, and you use a perm solution, I guess, to lay it down as well. And we finna find out. So let me get my hair out the way. I am starting to lock my hair, so we ain't finna mess that up. So cute. It comes with all these things in this box, so we obviously don't need everything in the kit. I hope this is not too complicated because there's a lot of things in here and ain't nobody got time to be like taking forever. The directions are literally on the back of the box. It says the first thing you want to do is clean your brows. Use the cleaning liquid to, it's so tiny and so cute. I'm going to go in with the number 4 cleansing fluid. Remove oil, dust, and makeup residue. Get up in that brow. There was still some brow color in my brow, and I just did a skincare whole regimen to prepare for this. Ooh, I need to learn how to clean these brows a little better. Okay, so the second step, there's like a lash glue here that you supposed to place everything in place. So we finna do that. And then it says use the perm lotion on the eyelash and cover for 8 to 12 minutes. Now I have like these lip wands. So and now we will wait 8 to 12 minutes. I don't know why things give you such a range. I'm gonna just do 10 minutes and just keep it nice and flat in the middle, nice and even, you know? How do I know if I'm an 8-minute person or a 12-minute person? Please answer that. It has been 10 minutes, and so it's now time for step 2. Use the fixing agent in the blue color on the eye, on the lashes, on the hairs, and cover it again for 8 to 12 minutes. You put it on together at the same time. Doesn't say take it off, so I'm just gonna follow the directions. And not really touching the eyebrows at all because I don't want to move the hairs that I so perfectly put into place. All right, alarm for 10 minutes. Let's set the clock. So it's been another 10 minutes. As sensitive as my skin is, I didn't feel any really tingling or anything. So I'm just gonna remove as much of that solution as possible. Step 3, clear the lash lift pad. Then use a lotion. Now we're going to go with number 3, baby, called Nutrition. So I'm actually going to use a cotton swab for this step. Then you're supposed to go back in with this cleaning solution to get off any and all residue. So I definitely think it worked. I am super excited for this. Wow. The brows are listening. They are behaving. Wow. They are really laid down. They are really really laying down right now. Let me go in and trim it a little bit. A little trim ain't never hurt nobody. Wow. That is a bushy brow. Okay. I wanted bushy brow. I got bushy brow. They kind of just do what you want them to do now. Now I actually want to tint them. Wow. How do you tint the brows? Let me look this up. I'll be right back. Now I'm going to tint my brows. I'm going to just line the skin around with a little Vaseline. Okay, so we have the Vaseline. We are going to use Just for Men for our brow tinting situation, and this is in the color Realist Black. I might have made this too big. Now this is tingling a little bit, just a little bit, and I think it's just because I've done a lot on the skin in this area. I feel like I'm about to look hella crazy, like hella crazy. I made them hella thick. Like, who brow is this thick? The hair, I don't want to add any water to the perm solution. You're not supposed to wet it. As far as I know, that's how perms work. Then I take a little brush cleaner. This is literally just alcohol, and that will clean up any extra color off the skin. I'm going to take a little moisturizer. I just want to moisturize the skin around the brow. I definitely feel like that skin there is struggling. We use a lot of things on the skin, so I definitely want to replenish with a little moisturizer. Okay guys, so this is the final look. So I feel like all I need to do in the morning now, girls, put a little brow gel and I'm ready to go. It's so good. It looks so natural. I don't think I overdid it at all. Cleaned up really nicely, not messy. I didn't get any color on my shirt. I'm really proud of myself. But yeah, like, I definitely recommend it. Save yourself some money, do it at home, get your lash kit, and that's it. And of course, everything will be linked below to get your hands on any items you need. I will link the spoolies and the lip wands to use to apply everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this brow video. You know, your girl did her thing, little experimentation. Thank you for joining me, and you are the real MVP for watching the whole video. I appreciate you. So you know, you're gonna go on and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, be the first one to know when the videos goes up. Okay, and of course I will see you in the next one because I know you're subscribed already. You definitely hit that bell. Mwah. Bye. Ugh, stinky. Perm stinky. And now, I don't want this smell on my hands. As sensitive as my skin is, oh gosh. Oh, can you imagine? I almost cut off all my brow hair just now. And since you are, of course, still here, obviously you're watching me, you're listening to me right now, you're going to go ahead and watch another video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. And it was not zoomed in the whole time, was it?